You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 5,200, or 72.111. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 25 and y1 equals 40. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals 97 and y2 equals 44. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 25. x2 equals 97. y1 equals 40. y2 equals 44. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 5,200, or 72.111.